Shoplifting has become a huge problem in the US, and some people have practically turned it into a job. But not everyone pulls it off scot-free. You know how they say, you can't cheat fate forever. What happens when a shoplifting suspect is apprehended by the police while exiting Walmart with their loot? Will they make a run for it, or is it finally time for karma to catch up with them? Stick around to find out if justice prevails. A Walmart store in Lake County, Florida, had to call the cops after spotting two women shoplifting and pulling off a shocking stunt. With their sophisticated surveillance gear and undercover agents, the Walmart staff kept an eye on the women. Sheriff's deputies showed up, and what unfolded next could only be described as busting a multi-state fraud ring.
I need to talk to you real quick. I'm on my security. Okay. Need to call my house.
Okay.
And the other one,
I'm sorry, I don't know.
you need to call my house.
Please don't touch me, please. Hey, I'm 14 years old. What's happening with
That's
you?
fine.
Mom, tell me what's happening with you.
3458 left.
It's pretty okay. It hurt me, please.
3458. I got one to say.
Please relax. What's happening with you?
Check out the woman's shopping cart up front. It's stacked high and it looks like something else is hidden under a pile of t-shirts. Something's definitely not right here. And what's even more surprising is how she acts clueless when confronted. The officer handcuffs the young woman and takes her to a room inside Walmart. Turns out she confesses she's only 14 years old, a minor.
I'm 14 years old. I'm 14 years old and you make me like this. Come on, don't make me like that. What's happening to you? Leaving me like a dog. That's not correct.
He's right here, right?
Yes.
All right.
He's holding me, me.
Just keep walking.
If you don't pull, he won't hurt you.
Okay, what is she wearing? Because I got another guy outside. With the camo. Camo.
Relax, hold me.
Black and white striped shirt.
Okay, relax.
I'll put her inside and then I'll go back out there with them. Oh, we're going back out there with them.
After containing her in the security room, the officer goes on to find her accomplice.
She's wearing a long black and white jacket down to her ankles and leggings. Come here. Yeah, come here. Come here. Let's go.
The moment the second woman gets caught, she starts playing dumb, acting like she has no idea what's going on.
Let's go.
What's happening?
Stay right here. Let them know we got it. Yeah, well, we'll tell you everything that's happening. You're trying to steal from Walmart.
Me?
Yeah.
You see?
You and your friend. Yeah, absolutely.
You not do nothing with me. We must take them. You leave them the hands up down. Excuse me. Leave the hands on down. I have the like operation with the hands.
Now, as soon as the young girl, or so she claims to be, starts acting like she doesn't know the other woman, it becomes evident that this was all pre-planned just in case things took a turn for the worse.
Who is she? Who is she?
Stand up. Who is she? I don't know. You guys were on video together. Who is she? They're gonna play that we don't know each other.
Man, relax. What's happening?
I'm trying to help you out. Now calm down.
Okay. You make me so fast. My hands is hurt. Really.
Why don't you think I'm back here trying to help you out?
I know. I'm scared because me, I don't touch nothing.
Of course you did. Stop pulling. We'll figure everything out. You're not under arrest. You're being detained at this time.
Look.
We got them.
Now guess what the Walmart employees find in their shopping cart? Loads and loads of baby formula.
There's a whole lot more
So,
over here. Look.
the second one in the long shirt helped conceal these items
Oh,
underneath everything?
they were together the whole time. She was being a lookout. And then I couldn't really see because they were hiding by the clothes, but they were together most of the time. Sorry.
Oh, thank you. As long as I get back, I'm fine.
When the officers ask the two for their IDs, they casually respond that they don't understand anything. The older woman admits that they're from Romania and insists she's innocent, but the evidence suggests otherwise.
ID, Romanian.
Romanian.
We don't have it. I don't steal nothing. You take something
Sure.
with me.
Romanian, that's what, Russian? Oh,
No, Romanian. It's the language.
Of course I don't have it in there.
Now, the police officers snag their car keys and head off to locate their vehicle in the parking lot.
To the parking lot, hitting the panic button, see what car comes back to them.
3458. What kind of vehicle am I looking for? Do you have any identifier numbers?
the key fob is just a Toyota.
Nothing up these two rows. Looking for a car. Yeah.
You find it yet?
No, dude.
Where you at?
I'm literally like on row 5 now. I'm hitting the lock button, the panic button. I'm not getting nothing back. I'm starting to wonder if this key fob even works. I think I found it.
The two women start acting like total brats, complaining about being uncomfortable and how their hands are itching because of the handcuffs. Like, seriously? When you steal, what do you expect in return? A bouquet of flowers congratulating you.
Really sorry, my hand is hurt. A little bit like this.
You're fine.
It's hurting me.
This is
really.
what happens when we steal. Cops are uncomfortable. They're supposed to be uncomfortable.
There's money me.
I don't speak Romanian. You can curse me out all you want. It's nothing I've never heard before, so it's okay. Since we don't know who you guys are and you have no ID, you're gonna get booked into jail, and until we can identify you, you're gonna stay there.
The two women reveal that they are 15 and 25 years old, which contradicts the previous claim of being 14. It seems like they might be making things up, especially since neither of them has an ID. The police officer instructs them to write down their names, but they claim they don't know how to spell their names in English. Pretty hard to believe, huh?
521, we got an email.
Stand
430,
up.
4365.
Stand up.
Yeah, it's the same one. So.
Turn around.
Pretty sophisticated for a 15-year-old to steal a bunch of formula.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't move, don't move.
I got you.
Okay, it's not in my hand.
Well, they're going back on, so. Here, write your name.
It's red.
You're fine.
Here.
Okay.
You said they went
Write your
the
name.
same one.
Where I can read it. And your date of birth.
So.
So nice. These yours?
Do you have another set? No, these aren't mine. She's got mine.
Write her name down too for me.
I can't say.
Is that another photo from somewhere else?
Well, this was a terrorist store down the street, but she said that I think one of these were them. But that's kind of, I said, that's close, but I don't know for sure. I can't say. That's hard. That's pretty close, but I don't.
How old is your baby?
I think she
It's the same
looks
style of
skinnier though.
clothing.
Yeah.
How old is your baby? How old is your baby?
5.
4 months old? 6 years old? That's her.
It's almost the same.
Let me
Jacket.
see what you
No.
showing. I don't know.
It's all the other one
It's
once
the
you
same
stole
style of clothing. It's the long jacket, the workout leggings.
Yeah. No, I was trying to merge you. It wouldn't let me merge you. That's why I was getting so pissed. I was trying to merge you and OJ. And I was
Is it more comfortable like this or like this?
Getting the
Like this?
Let's make sure we
Like
take
this?
a picture of all of it, please.
That's what
I
I'm doing.
don't know. It's hurting me.
If we didn't steal, we wouldn't have handcuffs on.
Yeah, it's not hard when you make it normally, but not so fast.
There's not normal. It's handcuffs.
Yeah, like this is good. But it's making it too fast.
No, it's not too fast. That's how they're supposed to be. They're not made for comfort, man. They're loose enough to where we can fit a finger in, which is what we do.
Stealing baby formula and selling them is a huge part of a theft scheme that is rampant in the US, and most of these theories are foreign nationals. Back in 2017, infant formula sales in the United States soared to a staggering $4.3 billion, mainly in powdered form. But that's not all. From factory to store shelf, Those supposedly cheap ingredients like dehydrated milk and vitamins end up costing a pretty penny. Just think about it. A basic can set you back around $15 for only 12.5 ounces. That could easily rack up to about $150 a month for parents relying solely on formula. And if you're eyeing specialty formulas like Elecare, be prepared to shell out 2 or 3 times as much. With strict oversight from the Food and Drug Administration, the formula market is dominated by 3 major players: Abbott Laboratories, makers of Similac; Mead Johnson, makers of Enfamil; and Nestlé-owned Gerber. With such little competition, it's no wonder these companies are making bank, especially since the US government buys half of all formula sold. It's no surprise that the baby formula black market is a serious issue in the US. The police discover that the older woman has a baby, but her responses to their questions remain vague. The deputy then asks the younger woman to call her relatives. She points to her phone and shows a picture, claiming it's her brother. However, the picture tells a different story.
We need to call. We need a number for mom, or somebody can get a hold of mom.
My brother.
Okay. So how do I get to his phone number?
Okay, get in the phones.
I don't know how to use this phone. Is that your brother?
Yeah,
How old is your brother?
he's 17.
Which one's your brother?
That one.
Which
With
one? What's his
M.
name?
With the M.
You have your brother with kissy face? I don't think so. Good.
Yes.
Good try.
Estaba really.
Yeah. Okay.
The camera está como she that is my
She
brother.
kisses her brother.
Oh,
She's got kissy lips on her brother.
Yeah, and what is this?
well. But you don't do that with your sister?
Wait,
And from backwards
it's
down
just
there.
emojis. I can put what emojis I
Hold on. You
want.
put emoji, kissy emojis with your brother and sister?
Stand up.
I mean,
Why
I
is
don't.
laughing?
Oh no.
The women think they're being slick and try to manipulate the deputies with lies, but they're not fooling anyone.
I don't know. That's her, man.
No.
See, she's wrong, right? I don't know. I guess.
50 something. 65. Name and birth. What's your last name? Laxnia? Laxnia is your last name? Say your last name. Lavinia. Roxana?
No, but it's hurt me.
It's not supposed to be comfortable.
Yes, but I can make like this. It's normal to make it.
That's how you're going to jail. It takes an hour to get to jail.
And here's the shocking part. After searching the suspect's van, it's uncovered that they've got at least 50 more cans of baby formula inside, each valued at around $29.97. But seriously, what do they need all that baby formula for? Like I said, it's turning into a whole theft ring, specifically targeting baby formula.
Their van has about another 50 formula cans in it.
Damn.
Okay, how much are those cans of
Yeah,
formula?
bring it back here.
Like $29.97 probably each.
Reseal it and tow it from using the commission of a felony. It's $30 a can. 50 cans is $1,500.
Are you the driver of that van? You're driving the car? You are. You're the
Sitting
keys
down,
on.
the skin was deeper.
Whose van is that?
And I had the camera.
It's not in your name. Whose name is
They were
it?
together. Over by the formula, and I said,
Both of you, listen to this. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I explained to you?
yes.
I don't understand English. I don't understand what.
File on each receipt.
You don't understand
I forgot.
You don't. What part do you not understand?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Grand total is just over $2,000.
Ooh, nice. We're towing the car, getting a search warrant with CIB.
It's probably going to be the $1,500 worth out of Narcoosee.
Probably.
I didn't see that date of that
So
email.
they're both going to jail. We'll call DCF to come get her from the jail once they run her fingerprints through the jail, because I'm sure she's been arrested before. And if she doesn't come back with anything, we'll have to call DCF, and DCF will take custody of her until somebody can claim her, or somebody can provide some type of
Maybe
identification for
DJG
her.
will take it.
Or that. So
The deputy reads them their rights, and of course they claim they don't understand that either. Classic lie. At this point, we can pretty much predict how the rest of the interrogation will go. They're not going to reveal anything. They're total pros at this, I guess. The deputies escort them to 2 separate police cars and take them off to jail. What will happen to the 2 women in the video? Will they end up in prison, or do they get a big fine?